how to change your limit on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your limit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change your limit on Cash App, all you have to do is first of all launch Cash App and just make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you're basically signed into your account, you want to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap the profile icon, you'll come to the your account page where you want to simply look for the limits option. Tap on limits and you'll be able to view all your current limits. So if you have a certain limit on your account, you'll be able to view those, and you'll also be able to increase that limit by simply verifying your identity on Cash App. And that's all it takes to change your limit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.